There are two things that can make or break your eSpeakers profile. There's your headshot and the audience benefits statement. These two things combine to make you clickable on our eSpeakers directory, and they become your first impression to a buyer. Because these two things are seen in directory search results, a buyer will see them even if they haven't clicked into your profile. If your audience benefits statement, that short statement right below your headshot, is not benefit-driven towards the meeting planner, clearly describing what the audience will get after your performance, they are not going to click on your thumbnail profile to learn more. We want to state clearly and concisely what benefits you will give their audience. Let's take a look at what conference organizers will see when they search the eSpeakers directory. So here I am at espeakers.com/marketplace. Here are 4 different headshots, and these 4 blurbs beneath them are the audience benefit statements. Sharon Weinstein has a great benefit-driven audience benefit statement. A stress buster! Sharon provides the wow factor for industries such as healthcare, hospitality, and human capital through service excellence and work-life balance. She speaks stress. You can see how well this stands out during a search. It really makes an impression. When we go to her profile page, this is the audience benefit statement right up here at the top. It's different than the bio down below. The audience benefits statement is one of the 2 things that make you stand out on the directory: your headshot and your audience benefits statement. Now I'll show you where to add your audience benefits statement in your profile. After you log into eSpeakers, go to My Profile on the left-hand side, and right here, you click on Audience Benefits. The biography is split into these 2 areas. There's the audience benefits statement, or tagline at the top, and the full pitch at the bottom. After you write a short, punchy, outcome-driven audience benefits statement, it's time to write your bio. You can write different bios and different audience benefit statements for the different topics that you talk about. So Zeke Ridges, our demo account, if he shows up in a search for coaching, his audience benefit statement will say coaching from the wrestling mat to the boardroom. But if somebody searches for leadership or by location, they'll find the general audience benefit statement listed beneath his headshot. Here are some general rules for a good audience benefit statement. Highlight keywords. Show the benefit of hiring you in a nutshell. Write in the third person. Instead of, I am a dynamic speaker, say, Zeke is a dynamic speaker. Never use your full name because it appears above your online bio on your profile already. Don't use the word helps in your audience benefit statement. And finally, write it elsewhere. Compose your statement in another document, because if you have your eSpeakers profile open for a long time, or you switch between different topics, our system could refresh and you may lose your work. So open up a fresh document, write out a biography and an audience benefits statement, and make yourself clickable on the eSpeakers directory.